Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal powder. Making your own oat powder at home is incredibly simple and offers many benefits. It's a fantastic way to add extra nutrition to your diet, perfect for quick breakfasts, smoothies, or even baking. You gain full control over the ingredients, ensuring no unwanted additives. Plus, it's often more cost-effective than buying pre-made versions. Let's get started on this easy and rewarding kitchen project. First, let's talk about your ingredients and tools. For the best results, choose either rolled oats or quick oats. Steel-cut oats are generally too tough for standard home blenders and won't yield a fine powder. You'll need a powerful blender or a food processor to grind the oats effectively. Additionally, a fine mesh sieve will be crucial for sifting out any larger pieces, ensuring your powder is perfectly smooth and consistent. Gather these items and you're halfway there. Now for the main event, grinding your oats. Start by adding about 1 to 2 cups of oats into your high-speed blender. Blending smaller batches helps achieve a finer, more consistent powder. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. It's a good idea to pulse in short bursts to prevent the oats from overheating. Once ground, sift the powder through your fine mesh sieve to catch any unground pieces, which you can reblend. Repeat until all oats are processed. Once you've made your fresh oatmeal powder, proper storage is key to maintaining its quality. Transfer the powder to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place like your pantry. It will stay fresh for up to 3 months. This versatile powder can be added to countless recipes. Stir it into smoothies, use it in pancake or muffin batters, or even as a healthy thickener for soups. Remember, 1/4 cup of powder is roughly equivalent to 1/4 cup of whole oats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.